When day comes, we ask ourselves, what's the story of this new dawn? Eye to eye with the elements, feel the stirring from within. Do not ask yourself, what if I fall? Think, what if I fly? When we hit the water, we are touched by the gods. It is where we burn our inner demons. It is where we light up our fire. Here on our playground, we are reminded of our true nature. Here on our holy playground, we set ourselves free. Brought together by adventures, different souls unite as one. Calling all riders to go all in and live without compromise. We are Lieuwe. We don't just make boards, we craft stories. So, what's yours?